welcome to see how the Superglot app works. We have covered all the practice modes in previous videos, and now we are starting to go through all the challenge modes. And the first one is the one versus one battle. So in this mode, we can create a challenge. We can search by username. Let's choose tester number 5. We select the language. We have four. These four are the initial languages we will have. Actually, English and Finnish first, and then a bit later Russian and Ukrainian. So we can choose either one specific language or random. Let's try random. And or actually no. We have the most content for English and Finnish, so let's actually choose Finnish. We can choose topics, maximum of 3, or just leave it blank, so then it's totally random. It can contain any topics, and we always have 10 questions. We cannot choose the question amount, but we can choose the lives. If we have 1, 2, or 3 before it ends, or infinite, then we can make as many mistakes as we want. Time per question, 30, 20, 10 seconds. Let's try 10. Difficulty all, or either easy or hard. Let's try all. Official or community content. And the exercise modes used in the challenge. Let's choose only 3. Not okay. Let's try all of these if there are any bugs. And now it starts. Okay. Mikä on Sudanin pääkaupunki? Sudanin Khartoum. Oh yeah, in Finnish, the correct orthography is Khartoum without the O. And when we answer, the time stops, because if we have an explanation like we have here, we can stop and we can take our time and read the explanation, like the word by word grammar explanation, the facts. Sometimes we have facts and etymology, like in this case, you can see here. We can learn really interesting things about this question. And whenever we are ready, we just press continue, and then time resumes. Mikä vihannes näyttää valkoiselta porkkanalta? I forgot what. I don't know. Palsternakka. Okay. So there seems to be a problem with the write mode, because the previous input is somehow saved in the provider, in the state. So this is like coding terminology, which is why you could see in the beginning something I wrote previously. Mistä maasta Costa Rica itsenäistyi? Costa Rica itsenäistyi Espanjasta. And unlike the practice modes, in the challenge modes we don't have the toggle button to see the translation, the source language. We don't have that at all. That's why we have the explanation sometimes, to just explain word by word everything. But in the practice modes, you can take all your time and toggle here. Here's the toggle button. It's just hidden. In the practice modes, we can toggle and see the transliteration, the translation as well, everything, and take our time. But here we only see the target language text. Okay, this one is ergium. No, I don't know. I have no idea. Erbium. Oh my god. I have made the content myself and I still cannot remember. Okay, erbium. The question is, what what is the 68th chemical element in the periodic table. And the aim is that we have the explanation for almost all the questions. So we would have the explanation button here and see what all these words mean actually, because we don't have the toggle buttons showing the source language translations here, like in the practice modes. That's not a problem because we will have the explanation button for almost all the content. Minkä maan lipussa on puolikuu ja 4 tähteä? Komorien lipussa on puolikuu ja 4 tähteä. Yeah, that was correct. The Comoros flag has a what is this? I forgot the English word. Anyways, let's continue. Papua Uuden Guinean. And it was correct. I didn't have time to explain it to you, but I don't have the audio. That's why we didn't hear anything. But when the app is launched, we have all the audios. So I might actually even not even have this button here, reveal question text. I might not have it at all. It depends on you guys what you want. I might keep it or remove it if enough people prefer the other option. So we can see the match percentage 89. And Papua New Guinea's official motto is unity in diversity. Libanonin virallinen kieli on arabia. 100%. Like I said in one of the practice mode videos, in the speak mode, I can record the missing word, arabia, or the whole phrase like I did here. Here is the question. Paljonko kello on? Kello on 12. Like that. So that was correct. Mikä maan korkein kohta on Mafadi? Etelä-Afrikan korkein kohta on Mafadi. Yeah, that was correct. So South Africa's highest point is Mafadi. Mihin päivän asti kauppa on auki? Tiistaihin asti. Okay, after I answered the last one, it goes to here. If I don't want to go back to the results, I can press inspect. I can like take my time and read everything that we have here. We would have the explanation button. We could read that, and whenever we are ready to advance, we just click see result. And here we can see that now actually the opponent tester 5 has now 24 hours time to answer, and after after tester 5 has answered, we can see here how they answered. And I might actually add a feature to see when you click the question numbers, the question image, question, and answer, which would be useful. Then you could see, okay, my friend answered this one correct and I incorrectly, and here, so that would be interesting. And here are some summaries: 7 out of 10 correct. Total time 1 minute. Okay, maybe I'll add here 1 min and not just m. It's weird. 1 minute 15 seconds, 16 seconds and 30 like milliseconds. And average time 7.53 per question. Back to lobby. Now you can see here in the active tab the challenge. The challenge card is not beautiful. I might change it to be much more beautiful. Probably the team will fix everything, like these small details, and making everything beautiful. So I can view the result. I can go to history. If I have completed something, I can see the stats against a certain player. And that was all about the one versus one battle. In the next episode, we will cover all the remaining challenge modes. And if you want to test the app yourself, join the waiting list and we will be in contact with you. Thank you and bye.